So let's talk about the Saviland. This Saviland kit, you can purchase this from Amazon. Amazon has the Saviland kits. These are the Polygel kits. With this kit, you get your Duraforms. You get 24 Duraforms. You get the double brush and the little scraper in the back. That's to form your Duraforms. You get your base coat and your top coat. You get your dip solution, and you also get the 7 Polygel. This is the glitter collection. Of course, you get 4 glitters. You get 2 regular, the blue colors, and you get 1 clear. This is a great kit from Amazon. You can purchase this from Amazon. And of course, with the polygels, you're going to also need your UV light because, of course, that is the only way they're going to dry. But the Saviland kit, get you one. Get you one. Like so, today I'm going to use the polygel. I'm going to use the polygel. These are your Duraforms that you get with the polygels. Can you see that? These are, they have like the little slits to tell you how far you want to go when you're putting the polygel in. But we're not going to use the Duraforms, not the polygel. We're not going to use these. I'm going to use, some tips. Some tips. Okay, I'm going to use the tips today. So these are the tips that I will be using. They're tips, but you can make them into regular, like press-on nails. Stick them on like that. I keep going out of focus. Stick them on like that. Okay? So let's get started. Put this little brush on. Really. And of course you want my nails are already prepped, so my nails are ooh, I have my hand down for this. Stuck. Okay, and of course with the powder gel, you have to use your dip solution, which for me is just, like basically alcohol. If you have some alcohol, you can use like the 70%. And oh, this is the board that comes with the Saviland powder gel kit. I found it, so got our little dip solution, my little brush, the poly gel. I'm going to take and just spread some on here. Spread it over there for now. You're going to dip your brush. Just spread this out. This is what the polygel looks like. Can you see that? Okay. So after you put that polygel on, because this is very, it's very time consuming, but this is the blue. We're going to do blue and black today. So after you put that on, you're going to need your lamp. Oops, let me take this out the way. You're going to need your lamp. Press it. You're going to do this for 30. And it's dry. So I'm going to come back after I have polygeled all the nails because we're doing blue and black today. Okay. So there we go. They've all been polygeled. And I have that glitter black, and I'm going to show you how I achieved that glitter black versus the poly gel. We're going to do a baking soda dip, a baking soda nail hack dip. Okay, so this is how we're going to achieve that black glitter nail that I have on. You're going to put some baking soda in a little container, something you can dip your finger in. You're going to take and you're going to put glue all over your nails evenly. Now I have the push-out glue. There also is the brush glue, and you're going to dip it. Now for me, I take it and I dip it twice. That first one, then I put some more glue on top. Give it a little time to dry first. Put some more glue on top, and then I dip it again. You can dip it as many times as you want. It's to your liking how thick you want your nails. So here we go. I've dipped it twice, let it dry, filed it down some, and now we're going to use some craft glitter. Well, I use craft glitter. You can also order the nail glitter if you choose, but the craft glitter works just fine. You're going to put a coat of polish on top. This is the top coat. You're going to spread it on there evenly, and you're going to proceed to dip your nail in there. And I also do that twice as well. Look, just pat, pat, pat. I didn't have a container for that, so I put it on some tissue or paper towel, better still, and boom, okay? Just tap it in there. Make sure it's evenly covered, and there you go. Now, after all that is done, the black nails and everything, you're going to get there on the poly gels and you file them, on top in case you want to take them down some. It depends on how much poly gel, just like I said, how much thickness you prefer on your nail. I don't prefer them that thick, so when I do put the poly gel on, I don't make a thick layer on it. So I'm able to file it, and you're going to style it. You're going to file the glitter nails as well, but you're not going to shave it on the top. Okay, don't shave the glitter nails, just the poly gels. And we're finally at the finish line. Okay, so, what do you think? Polygel plus the baking soda nail slay. These were cute. It was cute. The baking soda dip, I wanted to try it. It came out okay, but next time I'll do the next time I do my nails, I'll do a little bit more improving to that baking soda dip. I might take and do all 10 of the nails in the baking soda dip, which like they call it a baking soda hat. But I hope you enjoyed this. I had fun. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments. Subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. All the descriptions for everything I use will be left in the box below. Thanks. Bye.